Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying core tools so you can launch an emulator right away. First, run Flutter Doctor and fix only blocking items. You need the Android SDK and platform tools. Next, open Android Studio's AVD Manager and create a virtual device that matches the API level your app targets. Once done, enable hardware acceleration. Haxm on Intel or Hypervisor on ARM, because the emulator will run significantly faster and avoid common timeouts during builds. With the AVD created, start it from Android Studio or by running Flutter emulators launch followed by the AVD ID. This ensures the virtual device boots fully. Then run Flutter devices to confirm Flutter detects the emulator. This links the toolchain to the VM. Once recognized, use Flutter Run to install and launch the app, or Flutter Run Debug for hot reload during development. Make sure your app's minimum SDK and selected AVD profile are compatible, otherwise the install will fail. To finish, verify connectivity and behavior. Run a DB devices to see a connected emulator. If it's offline, restart a DB with a DB kill server and a DB start server. Make sure the AVD has required features like Google Play or network access enabled in its configuration so your app behaves like a real device. If installations fail repeatedly, perform a cold boot or wipe data. And as a last resort, recreate the AVD. This clears corrupted images and resolves most emulator.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.